Hi, Kara Sheftel with BDS, and one of the questions I'm often asked is, Kara, what happens to our data when we return a copier? Great question. Most copiers have only a working memory, and so they're not storing visuals of your documents in any way, shape, or form. They're all rewritten again and again and again, so no worries there. If you want, just for an extra safety thing, you can run a whole bunch of pages of gook through it, like just gibberish, and it'll overwrite, so no big deal there. I will say that for some of my government clients, they choose to take the hard drives out of the copiers, and we will sell them an additional one so that they are meeting their lease standards by having memory in the copier, and then they will drill those or shred those independently. However, that can be a little bit expensive. So the option that I like the most is to use what the manufacturers provide and do a large overwrite, which will completely remove any data on the device and then provide a certificate when it's all done saying that this copier is clear of any data. For all things print, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com or like and follow this channel.